To create a white noise riser, we are going to load Op3 Zosk. Disable channels 2 and 3. Pick white noise for channel 1. Place a note of 8 bars in the piano roll. The note doesn't matter since white noise is the same on any note here. With Ctrl L you can add it to a free track in the mixer. Add the Fruity filter. Create automation clips for the cutoff, resonance, low pass, and high pass. Make each curve from low to high. Let's preview what we got so far. We can add more effects in the mixer, like, for example, a sidechain effect. Or you can also play around with gross beat. Now you have your own riser effects. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like these.